was James and Mike and the rest of the gang, making us go insane.
Join Cinemassacre this October if you got the guts for 31 horror and monster movie reviews. It's the 10th annual Monster Madness. Tune in to Modern Mondays when we step into newer territory with recent frightmares from the past few years. Top 10 Tuesdays to hear some spooktacular recommendations. What the Fuck Wednesdays to wet your willy with some real weird ones. Bloodthirsty Thursdays, fantastic films to sink your teeth into.
I bid you welcome.
Franken-Fridays for all the nuts and bolts to give your Halloween an extra jolt. And Weekend Whatevers, a whole grab bag of treats. It'll be a howling good time as we wrap up this tradition. For the last time, it's a full 31 days. It's Cinemassacre's Monster Madness 10, the final marathon.